Ever wondered if geniuses have strange habits? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the eccentric world of Sir Isaac Newton, one of history's greatest minds. You might know him for his groundbreaking work in physics and mathematics, but there's a lot more to this genius than meets the eye. Meet Sir Isaac Newton, the man who revolutionized our understanding of the universe with his laws of motion and universal gravitation. But did you know he was also the master of weirdness? Fact 1. Newton stuck a needle in his eye. Yes, you heard that right. Yep. He slid a blunt needle between his eyeball and socket to see how it affected his vision. He was curious about the nature of light and color, and this was his way of experimenting. Can you imagine the dedication and, frankly, the madness it takes to do that? All in the name of science. Newton's curiosity knew no bounds, and he was willing to go to extreme lengths to satisfy it. Next up, Newton was obsessed with alchemy. He tried turning metals into gold and wrote over 1 million words on the subject. Some say his mercury exposure might have made him a bit loopy later on. Imagine spending years trying to unlock the secrets of alchemy only to end up with mercury poisoning. It's a testament to his relentless pursuit of knowledge, even if it came at a personal cost. Speaking of loopy, he had a serious paranoid meltdown in his 50s. He accused friends of plotting against him and sent wild letters. Stress, mercury poisoning, who knows? Newton's mental health took a severe hit, and he became increasingly isolated and distrustful. It's a stark reminder that even the greatest minds can struggle with inner demons. Now, Newton as a boss, terrible. As warden of the Royal Mint, he went undercover to catch counterfeiters and even pushed for the death penalty. Imagine your boss doing that. Newton took his role very seriously and was ruthless in his pursuit of justice. He personally interrogated suspects and gathered evidence, showing a side of him that was as relentless as it was terrifying. He also predicted the end of the world. Newton calculated it would happen no earlier than 2060 based on biblical texts. Talk about a hobby. Newton's fascination with the apocalypse shows just how deeply he delved into various fields of study, from science to theology. He meticulously calculated dates and events, blending his scientific rigor with his religious beliefs. Lastly, he probably died a virgin. Newton never married and seemed to prefer science over socializing. His private life remains a big question mark. Despite his immense contributions to science, Newton's personal life was shrouded in mystery. He was a solitary figure, dedicating his life to his work and leaving behind a legacy that continues to intrigue and inspire. So Newton was a genius, but also one strange dude. His quirks and eccentricities make him a fascinating character, reminding us that even the most brilliant minds have their oddities. What other weird facts do you want to know about history's greatest minds? Drop a comment below. Let's explore the strange and wonderful world of geniuses together.